and I got a pretty cool surprise. As you know, the Avenger movie has been moved up to, I believe, April 27th, and that's going to be one of the best Marvel movies besides Black Panther, which is also a great movie. But look what I have here. I have the Avengers Thanos Gauntlet. It went on sale, I think, last week or a week before that, and it's hard to find. But luckily, I was able to find one at my local store. I signed up, they notified me, and I was able to pick one up this morning. You can pre-order one on Amazon, but I think as of this morning, it was back ordered. So you guys are gonna have to wait a little while. But when I did pre-order, it was for April 1st. But you would get it April 4th. But currently, if you have Anything Geek stores around you, go ahead and call them up. They might have some in stock, but I was able to pick this up. This is $99, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So first off, let me go ahead and get my knife here. But before we get my knife and cut this box open, I want to show you around the box so you can get a little close up here. Very nice. It shows you some information here, like pulsating stone glow. What else does it have? It has articulated fingers, so basically you can move the fingers when you put your hand inside. Authentic movie sound effects, which is also pretty cool. And then it gives you the dimension of the size. Another picture from this angle, and trust me, this thing is huge here. So it also has lights and sound, so that's pretty cool as well. So again, it retails for 99 bucks. Let's go ahead and open this baby. This is pretty much garbage. Let's go ahead and put the box off to the side. And it comes in plastic, so it won't get scratched or anything. Let me see if there's anything else inside the box before I let you guys take a look at that. The little manual down there. And so this is the quick manual. I'll show you little things on how to activate, how to turn it on. As you can see here, it says to insert batteries. It uses 3 AA batteries. What does it say? Not included. So you're telling me I spent 100 bucks and you guys can't include like 3 batteries in here? That's kind of sucky on Hasbro's part. But lucky enough, I do have AA batteries. So I'll show you a demonstration as well with this. So let's take a quick look at this. So taking a closer look at this, you'll see the different stones on there, and the main one that powers the gauntlet itself. And you see this little switch here, it goes up and down. Basically, if you, when you put your hands in here and articulate it, like move it around, like say if you ball it up in a fist, you are able to push this down and it will keep it at where you had it. So let me go ahead and demonstrate here. If you want it to stay how it is, clip this down, and then one by one, you can have it hold it in place. So that's pretty neat. So you can have it in this position, and it feels pretty comfortable. I wish they had slight padding in there, but let's take a look inside. Not sure if you can really see in there. Let me zoom in. But yeah, you'll see like individual holes. That's where you put your fingers in, and then you'll pull like a puppet, like a string. And that's the way it works. As for the battery, it's in this compartment here. Now what I'm gonna do is unscrew this and place the battery in and show you guys the sounds and the lights. So Be right back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these AA batteries in. Be pretty cool if you were able to charge this up so you would never use battery, but maybe in the future. So let me go ahead and screw this baby in. There you go. Put this cover on. So what we're gonna do is activate it by pressing this. See if it works. But there you go. So that's pretty cool. So each finger you do, it makes a mechanical noise. So that's pretty neat. There goes all the beautiful lights on there. So yeah, overall it's a pretty cool collectibles item. $100, I think it's worth it. Let's go ahead and put that on there. I just got it displayed somewhere around this office. And there you have it. First hand, literally. Pretty cool. Like I said, if you want it, they are available at Think Geek stores. I'm not sure if you have any around you guys, but if you do, go search for it. They were able to get a lot in stock yesterday. My friend might be able to pick up one today because he called and they still had some in stock. But if not, you can also order on Amazon. But from what I understand, my other friend who pre-ordered said it's backlog. So that's it for this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, please. And more videos to come. Thanks for watching. I also have a giveaway. I'll leave a link down to the giveaway in this video, or you can follow me on Twitter to get the link as well. So thanks for watching this video, guys. More content to come. Give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.